you see or hear anything? This is important so we can find out who did this.
I was asleep. I didn't hear anything.
What made you get up and come to your parents' room?
I don't know. Maybe something woke me up.
Okay,
I don't remember.
get some clothes, go downstairs. You don't have to go upstairs. You'll find someone you can live with.
We'll find out who did this to your parents. Don't be afraid. We'll catch them.
What the heck? Where did this come from? If they don't find out who killed my mom and dad, I will. That's a promise. Maybe everyone at the orphanage was right. Even my parents' room looks haunted. Oh, looky here. Still here. We gotta go to Hobo Trails and look for this guy.
What do you want?
My name's Darren. I'm looking for someone. Do you know a guy by the name of Jim Bean?
Yeah, so what? He's lying.
I know, that's why I'm looking for him. He may have killed my parents.
He's always mean to me. I'll help you look for him. I think he's down by the fire.
Oh wait, I need to use this flashlight. Hey, mind if you sit down? My name's Darren.
No, you got anything to drink?
Hi Ash, how's it going?
Hey, my face, I'm good.
Look, I found this. Is this anybody's here?
Looks like something Jim Bean would whittle. Where'd you find it?
Back there somewhere. Jim Bean, huh? You know where he is?
What's going on? How's your name? Who are you?
This yours?
Yeah, I lost it a long time ago. Who are you? Where'd you find it?
My name's Darren. I found this in my house when my parents were killed, you murder.
I seriously did that to him?
Impressive. Let's go get the cops.
I don't mean nothing.